How to boost Snapchat score rapidly. Hello, everybody. If you'd like to boost your Snapchat score quickly, you may follow up these steps. So, open up the Snapchat application on your device, and once you open it up, you can head over the chat option right here. And once you head over here, you can basically head over and look out for the people that you send your snaps and everything. And what you need to do in order to increase your score rapidly is head over and focus actively on sending or receiving snaps frequently. So just go ahead and do so every day, and that way it will increase your score by sending and receiving snaps. Every snap you send and receive adds to your score on your Snapchat. And the thing is, when you're trying to send snap us to people, head over and try adding snaps to more people. Like go ahead and add more people from your contacts or add more people. After that, go ahead and click up a snap and then just go ahead and send them each day. And that way you will be finding your snap score being increased directly. You can basically head over to the snap score section and you can see if you go ahead and send a view or send snap received or snap added to stories, that will basically increase your snap score on your device. Apart from the add new friends, look out for add friends option, and once you go ahead and look out for that app, basically head over and add up the people, and basically that will contribute to your score as well if you more add more people, and that's it. And whenever you're receiving snap, make sure you're opening each and every snap available in your Snapchat that people send to you so that you will gain more points on your Snapchat. After that, head over and even maintain streaks with your friends on your Snapchat. Head over and send them a snap daily, and then that will also help you boost your score. And that's it. So these are some of the methods you can follow up if you'd like to boost Snapchat score rapidly on your device. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.